Welcome to the CyberWire's Word Notes podcast, brought to you by Recorded Future, delivering advanced security intelligence to disrupt adversaries.
The word is intelligence. Spelled I for Inga Bergstrom, N for Naomi, T for Tiffany Case, E for Ernst Blofeld, my favorite, L for Laporte, L for Ling, I for Inga Bergstrom again because I couldn't find another character name that started with the letter I, G for Goldfinger, E for Electric King, N for Nancy, C for Chu Mei, and E for Emilio Largo. Definition: the process of turning raw information into intelligence products that leaders use to make decisions with. Example sentence: ancient soothsayers are said to be the original intelligence producers. Origin and context. According to Professor Vejas Gabriel Ludlavicius of the University of Tennessee, quote, "Our earliest evidence of intelligence work comes from the clay tablets of Mesopotamia, and we know from the Bible that spies were used not only for political rivals, but also by religious ones in ancient Israel," end quote. Today, there are thousands of government and private agencies, from data brokers to general public service companies, involved in intelligence production, and there are many types of data collection. Here are 4 of the most common types. Human intelligence, or HUMINT. Information collected by actual people on the ground. Think James Bond. Signals intelligence, or SIGINT. Information collected from communication systems like satellite radio and other electronic emitters like radars and jammers. Imagery intelligence, or IMINT. Information collected from satellite imagery, think Google Maps. And finally, open source intelligence, or OSINT. Data collected from public repositories like blogs, TV, and Wikipedia. Nerd reference. In the original Star Wars movie from 1977, starring Carrie Fisher, Mark Hamill, and Harrison Ford, General Dodonna, played by Alex McCrindle, provides an intelligence brief to the rebel fighter pilots about the Death Star. Notice that he not only provides the information about the weakness of the Death Star platform, the data collection part, but he also tells the pilots how to blow it up, the data analysis part.
The battle station is heavily shielded and carries a firepower greater than half the Starfleet. Its defenses are designed around a direct, large-scale assault. A small one-man fighter should be able to penetrate the outer defense. An analysis of the plans provided by Princess Leia has demonstrated a weakness in the battle station. The target area is only 2 meters wide. It's a small thermal exhaust port right below the main port. The shaft leads directly to the reactor system. A precise hit will start a chain reaction which should destroy the station.
The executive producer of Word Notes is Peter Kilpie and is written by Nyla Genoe and edited by John Petrick and me, Rick Howard. The mix, sound design, and original music have all been crafted by the ridiculously talented Elliot Peltzman. Thanks for listening.
This CyberWire Word Notes podcast is made possible by Recorded Future. Recorded Future delivers the world's most technically advanced security intelligence to disrupt adversaries, empower defenders, and protect organizations. Subscribe to Recorded Future's weekly podcast, Inside Security Intelligence, to go inside the world of cyber threat intelligence. Each week, you'll hear stories from the trenches details on established and emerging adversaries, and insights on the cybersecurity industry. Visit recordedfuture.com/podcast or wherever you get your podcasts to learn more.